Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to learn how to use layer masks. So first things first, get an image on your Photoshop, and what layer mask does is it allows you to hide or show any part of your layer. Alright, so the best thing about layer mask is that you can change anything on it at any point of time. Okay, so like if you made a mistake, you can change it easily on the future. Okay, so how you do that is click on the image you want to put a layer mask on and click on this icon over here or rectangle with a circle on it. So click on it and you've got this white layer on side of your image. So what this is the white layer is everything that is visible on your mask. Okay, so let's select the white layer over here and press B. Pressing B, you select brush tool, and now, as I said, the white is everything that is visible. So the black is everything that is not visible. So what we're going to do now is paint black on the image, and doing that we erase the layer that gets selected. It works similar to an eraser tool, but it is completely different. It is a very good alternative compared to eraser tool, and I'm gonna say why in a moment. All right, so let's say I erase this, and oops, I've made a mistake. Okay, so you don't need to Alt Z and undo the mistake. What you need to do is switch the paint to white and just paint over the mistake you've done. So doing this, you've actually brought your image back, right? So let's say you don't want this anymore. You don't want the you don't want the edits that you've made. So what you can do is select the white paint again and just paint on it again, so it brings everything back just like this. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a cool little trick of layer mask. Okay, so for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a texture on the wall, the yellow wall on the back of our subject there. And to do that, I'm just gonna bring this layer on top of our image layer, and as I just need to put the texture on the wall, I'm just going to adjust this quite like this. And now if you see, if I turn on the blending mode like overlay, it's going to blend on our image as well, and I do not want that, right? So what we can do is use layer mask to not change the subject, but you can change the texture on the wall. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is turn this layer back to normal and select our subject. To select the subject, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the object selection tool over here and make an outline like this. If you have not watched our selection tools video, go watch it. Okay, so once we've done that, I'm going to select the texture layer like this, and pressing Alt, I'm going to click on the clipping mask icon again. Okay, so just like this, what it's going to do is it's going to paint on that selection. Now all I've got to do is change this to overlay, or I might just play around with this. Multiple looks nice. Okay, so I'm just going to use multiple here, and I'm going to play with the opacity as well. I think this is nice. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, this is it for our clipping mask video, and I'm gonna make more videos. So yeah, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.